Here we go. This is a Nasdaq 100. There's a call chart right up here that tells you an $1,800 put on the Nasdaq. Down here is an $1,800 call on the index. Both 1,800 strike price, pal. When the call contract over here, and welcome to stockmarketfunding.com, learning how to trade Nasdaq index options, whether it's the S&P, this one, or even better yet, how to trade index options on the whole stock market right here. Outside of those major indexes, you got a whole bunch of sector indices that you can apply the same trade on. Basically, what I'm going to show you here, welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. Go to our website, click on our online trading community, click on our YouTube channel. Hey, we call it live, so let me show people here. I got 2 daily charts right here, right now. And right here, right now, is that the put option was inflated. And they brought it all the way down. What the public doesn't know, as a market maker, I can short that put just like a stock. That's what they do. They took it from 70 down here to 25. And if I'm shorting that, I'm going long this. How? I'm buying down here at the bottom, right around let's say $28 a contract. And look, both trades work together because that was inflated and this was deflated at the same strike price on the same index. Pal, get a grip. Get out of the day trading mindset. Become a professional trader. And how it's done in the pit. Come to stockmarketfunding.com and get a grip and get control of your trading career. So basically, that's inflated, this is deflated. And the same scenario works on even call struck prices on stocks. It don't matter. And other indexes. I've developed over 150 proprietary risk management trading tools about inflation and deflation in trades. So basically, if I'm short the put and I'm long the call at the same strike, both trades are paying me together. I'm making money on the downside there, and I'm making money on the upside there when they're happening. And I will teach you how to master how to be a real options trader on indexes, whether it's Nasdaq 100 and whatnot. So basically, what's going to happen is that we're going to get deflated over here, and now we're getting inflated over here. And as we get more inflated up here and more deflated down here, I'm going to buy this side of the market and short this side of the market. Just the opposite. Calls were deflated, puts were inflated. And this is the January $1,800 put on the Nasdaq 100. And what is the Nasdaq 100? It is the 100 stocks that come out of the Nasdaq comp. This is how it is. And this, being a professional market maker, trading indexes, just like they do in the pit, is way beyond anything you've seen and way beyond any day trading courses you're going to get. Go for them. When you're done tired of that, come back here. This is the way it's traded. Not only here, but we'll show you hundreds and thousands of other trades that do the same thing. This is what you want to be part of. Guess what? Come and take a 5 free-day trial when we're actually popping these trades off, and you'll see it. Remember, talk is cheap. We show you before it's going to happen and why it's going to happen, and then putting the trade on. After the fact that everyone else talks about it or shows it doesn't do any good. So basically, we're going to be looking at the deflated side over here and how this gets inflated, and then we will take a look at the actual technicals on, let me pull up another chart called the Nasdaq 100. And I'll take my weekly Nasdaq 100 and I will go over here and I will use my skills. And we have a mathematical trading platform that will work 100%. That was the top that we called. This is the up move. When we start working with the SMF Pro Trader weekly bars, half of that weekly bar, if this stock, if this index stops right there, there's the 10-week moving average. They're trying to get it back above it. It went into a 1, 2, 3, 4-week reversal below the 10-week. 10-week didn't roll over. 20-week is kind of up. So it's more to the upside move, but the buyers have, the bulls got to step in. But let me tell you the thing, pal. If I don't close above half of that weekly bar, forget about it. I've got to close above it, and then I got to consolidate above it. If I start selling that, if I start selling into here next week, here's what I'm going to do. I'll immediately start buying that put. But we don't know yet what the buyer and the sellers are going to do, other than this side of the market's deflated, and the call side, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks is inflated. And if you want to learn more about how to trade any index options or sector indexes like this here, you got all of these. S&P 500, S&P 100, New York Stock Exchange, they all got options. They all got different things that you can do. There's a wide diversification to the market that you can learn how to trade. And you can do options on them, and they'll be like this. That's what I have to say about it. And next week, we'll be trading it. And I pointed it out to you as a free gift, and a gift that should never, ever leave your mind. Once again, thank you for coming to StockMarketPundit.com. Call us. If you want to learn how to be a professional trader, there's lots of trades at one time that you put on in the market outside of equities. And there's indexes, and there's bear funds, and bull funds, and trap funds, and all kinds of things that you can do.